The service air suspension system immediately warning on your 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee is usually a software panic loop that you can bypass with a hard module reset. You can fix this glitch right now by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and pulling the F50 and F87 suspension module fuses for 10 minutes. This temporary payload unlevel code often triggers when the ambient temperature drops. Cold weather causes the closed nitrogen system to contract, which makes the air suspension module think there is a massive leak. The system drops the vehicle to the lowest ride height to protect the compressor from burning out. To perform the reset, park on a completely flat surface and turn the engine off. Head to the main fuse box and pull the specific fuses for the suspension module and compressor. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait at least 10 minutes for the entire system to discharge its memory. Once you reconnect the battery and insert the fuses, start the engine and let it run for 10 minutes without touching the ride height controls. The compressor should engage and slowly raise the chassis back to the normal ride height. If the warning message stays off, your issue was just a software calibration glitch. If the rear end sags again overnight, you have an actual micro leak at the brass elbow fittings on top of the air struts. You can locate the leak by spraying soapy water directly onto the fittings while the system is under pressure. The rubber O-rings inside those elbows shrink and dry out, allowing the pure nitrogen to escape. Replacing the elbow fitting is cheap, but you must have the system professionally purged and refilled with grade 5 pure nitrogen using a dealer scan tool. Never introduce atmospheric air into a Quadra-Lift system, as the moisture will permanently destroy the internal valve block and compressor.